Hi, my name's Debbie Pendergrast. I'm Business Development Manager here at Keencut, and I'm going to show you the steps on how to make a sign tray. The finished product should look like this. I'll show you how to do it. To make the sign tray, you will need a pair of compression shears, a marker pen, a ruler, activator spray, super glue, 4 clamps, Keencut V-grooving tool, pieces of offcuts of aluminium composite panelling, and a pre-cut board of aluminium composite panelling to the size your finished sign tray will be. This is my pre-cut sheet of aluminium composite panelling. I need it to finish looking like this. This is 50 centimeters by 25 centimeters, but I have to take into consideration my border of 5 centimeter all the way around my sign tray. That means I have to add 10 centimeters onto my 50 and 10 centimeters in total onto my 25, making my final board 60 centimeters by 35 centimeters. The V-grooving tool needs to be installed in place of the twin wheel cutting head. So you need to remove the twin wheel cutting head and install the V-grooving tool that at this point should be already calibrated. If you haven't done that and you need to find out how to do that, please check out this video here. Your SteelTrak will come with a sightline strip. This is a piece of plastic that runs along the spine of the machine. It's indicative of where the blade will pass, so it gives you the line of cut. Once installed, the V-grooving tool will not sit on that same line. It's offset by about 1 centimeter to the left of the line of cut. Please take that into consideration when you are doing your dimensions. At this point, you need to set the production stop on the left-hand side of the machine. It needs to be set in order to accommodate the 1 centimeter offset of the V-grooving tool and the width of the margin you are wanting around your board. House your ACP flat along the squaring arm, securely behind the clamp. Your production stop on the left is already set. That doesn't need to move in the whole process. The production stop on the right hand side can be brought up and placed against the board on the right so you don't get any side to side movement. Then you can clamp the board in place and start your V-groove. It takes a little bit more effort to V-groove a board than it does to cut all the way through it. So with a bit of force, push down on the handle, you will notice that a piece comes out of the V-blade itself. Please remove it, but please do be careful when you do so. It's sharp and you don't want to cut yourself. Once you have V-grooved one side, remove the board, turn it around and V-groove all 4 sides in the same manner. Once you have V-grooved all 4 sides, your board will look like this. I'm going to draw a line from the center of this V-groove to the corner of my board. I know that the dimension between here to the corner of my board is 5 centimeters. I need to do the mirror image from the end of the V-groove to the end of 5 centimeters on the other side. Mark like so, and draw a line to the center of the V-groove. That has to be replicated on all 4 corners. This is what your board will look like when you have drawn all 4 corners. You now need your pair of compression shears. Compression shears are like scissors, but they have more force behind them, so you can cut more robust materials like aluminium composite panelling. I'm going to cut out the corner of the board. I know where I need to cut because I have drawn my line, so I can align my compression shears on the ACP board, and with a bit of force, cut down. I need to replicate that on the other side, so aligning my board with my line and my compression shears, I can make another cut and the corner comes out easily. Now you need to cut out all the rest of the corners. Once you've cut all 4 corners out, this is what your board will look like. Once you have all your 4 corners cut out, fold up the sides of your sign tray ready for gluing. Taking your activator spray, spray the corner, take your piece of ACP offcut, apply the glue, place it in the corner of your board, hold securely, clamp down, and do the same with the rest of the 4 corners. Now all your 4 corners are glued. It will look like this. It's now complete, and all you need to do is decorate it.